Well, today I'm doing a new design. A customer wanted a little pig, so this is what I came up with. What do you think? Sometimes I have all kinds of requests, and today I had a pig, so hard to fit it on the handle always, so hopefully it works out. So let's start. I'm just going to start with these borders here to get me into the groove of things. I'm gonna have a basket wave above and below. So where to start? It's a new design, so I'm not certain what I'm doing, so I have to be very careful. New designs are always hard. I mean, just to design something to fit the handle, and it has to be simple, so it works with this technique. But so simple lines, but yet you have to see that it is a pig or whatever you're doing. It can be challenging, and also to fit it on a handle, you know. This is a coffee scoop, so let's try the bottom part first. With designs I do it regularly. I have them in my, let's say in my hand, you know. I can do them with ease. But new designs, well, they're a bit tricky. And I don't always take on designs. Sometimes I do new stuff, sometimes I don't. If I think it's going to fit right, okay, I'll take it. Not everything can be made to fit perfectly. So see, I'm still searching how to do it, you know. Okay, it's looking good. I'll go from this side here. I think this is going to be a Christmas gift. I always feel a bit of pressure with these. I think, will the person like it? I don't know. Okay, we're slowly shaping everything up. working slowly because I'm not familiar with this, so how I'm gonna go about this. Let's do one of the ears. Okay. Let's do the other side. This is gonna be a bit hard. The snout. I'll be extra careful here. This can make or break the piece. Okay. Looking good. Let's do the eye. Eye is also hard. Really tiny circle. Okay, it's looking good. Just to do the mouth, I wanted to have like a little smile so it looks positive and cheerful. Yeah, that looks good. This front leg here. Yeah, and this will also be hard. The little tail, because it's swirling around, you can easily mess up this, so it looks ugly. No pressure. Yeah, that looks good. Not bad for a first bigger design. What do you think? And here it is, all done. Coffee scoop. What do you think? Also finished for this customer a chicken, and this coffee scoop with mountain and cabin design, and a dragonfly. Have to paint the dragonfly. What do you think? Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.